With each visit to the past, Sarah discovered the healing power of reliving beautiful memories. The music box became a cherished companion, offering solace during difficult times and celebrating the joyous moments that had shaped her life. One day, as Sarah played the music box, she noticed a small note tucked inside. It read, "To the keeper of memories, may this box weave the threads of your past into the tapestry of your present." The note was signed by Evelyn's grandmother, the original custodian of the music box of memories. Intrigued by the note, Sarah decided to visit Evelyn at Melody Treasures. She shared the magical experiences she had encountered and the note she had found. Evelyn listened with a knowing smile, her eyes reflecting a deep understanding of the profound connection between memories and music. "You see, my dear, the music box of memories has been passed down through generations, carrying with it the essence of countless stories. It has a way of finding those who need its magic the most," Evelyn explained. Inspired by the magic of the music box, Sarah and Evelyn decided to organize a special event for the town of Harmonyville, a Memory Melodies gathering. They invited townsfolk to bring their own music boxes and share the stories and memories hidden within the melodies. The event, held in the heart of Harmonyville, became a celebration of shared memories and the unique power of music to evoke emotions and transport people through time. Each music box, with its distinct melody, unfolded a chapter of someone's past, weaving a tapestry of collective experiences. As the sun set and the music boxes played in harmony, the townsfolk felt a profound sense of connection and unity. The music box of memories, now a symbol of shared stories, continued to hold a special place in Melody Treasures, inviting visitors to discover the magic within their own cherished memories. And so, the music box of memories became a timeless treasure in Harmonyville, a testament to the enduring power of music and the enchanting ability to revisit the beauty of moments that shape our lives. In the heart of the town, Melody Treasures continued to share the magic of memories, one melody at a time. Title: The Starlight Keeper. In the small village of Stardale, nestled between rolling hills and meadows, there was a unique tradition that had been passed down through generations. Every year, on the eve of the harvest moon, the villagers would gather to witness the appearance of the Starlight Keeper, a mysterious figure who was said to bring wishes to those who gazed upon the night sky. As the harvest moon rose in the indigo sky, its gentle glow casting a soft radiance over Stardale, the villagers gathered in anticipation. Among them was a young girl named Ilara, her eyes filled with wonder and excitement. It was her first time experiencing the enchanting tradition, and her grandmother, a wise woman with silver hair and a twinkle in her eye, stood by her side. The villagers whispered tales of the Starlight Keeper, a celestial being who emerged from the night sky to collect the wishes of those who believed. Legends spoke of a magical constellation that marked the arrival of the Keeper, the Celestial Lyre, a formation of stars that appeared only on this auspicious night. As the clock struck midnight, a soft melody filled the air, accompanied by the twinkling of stars forming the celestial lyre. The villagers hushed, their eyes fixed on the celestial display. Out of the constellation descended the Starlight Keeper, draped in a cloak of shimmering stardust. Ilara's heart raced as the Starlight Keeper gracefully landed in the center of the village square. The ethereal figure held a staff adorned with a glowing crystal, and their eyes sparkled like the brightest stars in the night sky. "Welcome, dear villagers of Stardale," the Starlight Keeper spoke in a voice as gentle as the night breeze. "I have come to listen to your wishes and weave them into the fabric of the cosmos. Speak from your hearts, and let your dreams take flight." The villagers, one by one, stepped forward, sharing their hopes and dreams with the Starlight Keeper. Some wished for prosperity, others for love, and a few for the health and happiness of their loved ones. Ilara observed in awe as each wish was met with a nod from the celestial being. When it was Ilara's turn, she hesitated for a moment before speaking. "I wish for a world filled with kindness and understanding, where everyone can find joy and share it with others." The Starlight Keeper smiled warmly at Ilara, their eyes reflecting the sincerity in her wish. "A noble and beautiful wish, young one. May the world embrace the light of compassion." As the last wish was granted, the Starlight Keeper raised their staff, and a cascade of stardust filled the air. The celestial lyre twinkled once more before fading into the canvas of the night sky. With a final nod to the villagers, the Starlight Keeper ascended back into the constellation, leaving behind a trail of stardust that shimmered in the moonlit night. The villagers, filled with a sense of hope and gratitude, exchanged smiles and heartfelt thanks. Ilara, too, felt a warmth in her heart, as if her wish had been acknowledged by the cosmos. In the days that followed, Stardale blossomed with newfound joy and unity. The wishes granted by the Starlight Keeper seemed to ripple through the village, bringing unexpected moments of kindness and understanding. Neighbors helped one another, friendships deepened, and a spirit of generosity enveloped Stardale like a comforting embrace. Ilara, inspired by the magic of the harvest moon night, decided to create a communal mural in the village square. The mural depicted the celestial lyre, the Starlight Keeper, and the wishes of the villagers twinkling like stars. Each villager contributed to the artwork, turning it into a testament to the power of collective dreams. As the seasons passed, Stardale became known for its sense of community and the annual tradition that brought the Starlight Keeper to their skies. People from neighboring villages traveled to Stardale to witness the celestial event and share their wishes with the Cosmic Guardian. Ilara, now a young woman, continued to believe in the magic of the Starlight Keeper. She became a storyteller, sharing the tale of the celestial being with younger generations and encouraging them to dream big and believe in the power of their wishes. One year, as the harvest moon rose again, Ilara stood in the village square, surrounded by villagers old and new. The celestial lyre reappeared, and the Starlight Keeper descended once more, their eyes filled with the reflections of countless wishes granted over the years. Ilara, with a heart full of gratitude, stepped forward and whispered a new wish into the night. May the magic of Stardale's wishes continue to shine brightly, lighting the way for generations to come. The Starlight Keeper nodded in acknowledgement, and the stardust cascaded once more, leaving behind a village bathed in the soft glow of collective dreams. As the celestial being ascended into the constellation, the villagers felt a profound connection to the cosmos, a reminder that their wishes, no matter how humble or grand, were forever woven into the fabric of the universe. And so, the tradition of the Starlight Keeper endured in Stardale, a celestial dance between the villagers and the Cosmic Guardian, a timeless reminder that wishes, when spoken with sincerity, have the power to shape the very essence of the world. Title: The Whispers of Whispering Woods. In a quiet village surrounded by lush forests, there existed a mystical place known as the Whispering Woods. Legend had it that the ancient trees within this enchanted grove were keepers of secrets and wisdom, and those who listened closely could hear the whispers of the woods. In this village lived a curious young girl named Lily. Her eyes sparkled with a thirst for knowledge, and she often found herself drawn to the edge of the Whispering Woods, where the trees stood tall and wise. Lily, however, had a secret: she could hear the faint whispers that emanated from the heart of the forest. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the village, Lily decided to venture deeper into the Whispering Woods. Armed with nothing but her insatiable curiosity, she stepped over the threshold of the ancient trees. The moment Lily entered the heart of the forest, a gentle breeze rustled through the leaves, and the air seemed to shimmer with a magical energy. The trees, their bark etched with the passage of time, towered above her like ancient storytellers eager to share their tales. As Lily walked deeper, she heard the whispers growing stronger. The voices spoke of forgotten legends, tales of love and loss, and the ancient history of the Whispering Woods. It was as if the trees were opening the pages of a living, breathing book for her to explore. In a secluded glade, Lily encountered a magnificent tree with silver leaves that seemed to glow in the moonlight. This, she realized, was the Guardian Tree, the oldest and wisest of all the trees in the Whispering Woods. Its branches stretched toward the sky, and its roots delved deep into the earth, connecting with the very heartbeat of the forest. "Welcome, curious one," spoke the Guardian Tree in a voice that echoed with the wisdom of ages. "I sense the hunger for knowledge within you. Listen well, and the secrets of the Whispering Woods shall reveal themselves." Lily, captivated by the ancient tree's presence, sat beneath its branches. The whispers intensified, and the Guardian Tree began to share tales of heroes and heroines who had ventured into the heart of the forest seeking wisdom and enlightenment. These were tales of courage, kindness, and the eternal dance between the forces of nature. Enthralled by the stories, Lily felt a deep connection to the Whispering Woods. She realized that the whispers were not just tales of the past but echoes of the present, carrying the collective wisdom of the trees and the living creatures that called the forest home. As Lily spent more time within the Whispering Woods, the trees began to trust her with their secrets. She learned about the delicate balance of the forest ecosystem, the language of the animals, and the medicinal properties of the plants that grew in abundance. Lily, in turn, shared stories of the village with the guardian tree, creating a bridge between the two worlds.